All right, this is for this crazy washer part. Let's see, it is, I believe it's WH45X22698, and this came out of a Hotpoint HTWP 1400F2WW washer, built in 2015. So you can see here, we've got the timer box, we've got the wheel here. This is the part that I found had broken. But the key to all of this working is this little pin. So I'm going to pull this out to show it, but it's got this this long hole in it, and it's got this arm there for it. And how it goes, there's these two springs here. You can see the metal springs right there. They can push up, and that bottom one can push up, but my finger can't reach it. So that spring, and then the interaction here is the real key. So if you see this big, I think it's called a cam, and then you see these two grooves on this side, those fit between there. So this goes there, and then with that being in there, now this little arm right there will go, if you push it down, so there's that arm that holds it down. There's the cam sitting between the two grooves, and then the long hole goes by the white one. So now I will let you know if this works in the comments.